How to log in into poppy.bank online account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. Open up a browser that you prefer on your PC or on your mobile device and search for poppy.bank. You will reach to the official web page of poppy.bank. So you have to enter your login ID and your password, then tap on login option to log into your Poppy account. Tap on Forgot Password if you have forgotten your password. You have to enter your login ID, then tap on Submit to further reset your password. To create a new poppy.bank account, you have to head back. Right here you will see Open New Account. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then you will be redirected to new page where you can get all the knowledge about the criteria to open one. You can also log in by just tapping on the login option given to you at the very top in your left hand side. If you face any of the issue regarding the login option, you can tap on Contact Us at the very top. It will redirect you to the help and support web page where you can enter your issue and select the branch, enter email address and your issue description, then tap on Send Message. It will get back to you with the required solution. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.